What's up guys? So it's Rashi from Rashi and Wally Vlogs, and today we are going to Vaughan Mills Mall. That's in Vaughan.
Best mall around town, guys. Yeah, man.
It's actually his favorite. So
as you can see, I'm in a good mood. I'm in my favorite hat. Yeah, man. Once you see me put on my yellow hat, guys, it's a good mood. It's a good setting, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, right? And turn on the notification bell. If you don't turn on your bell, you can't get the sound.
that's true.
You can't know what go on.
And don't forget to tell a friend and to tell a friend to subscribe. Come over here, come join the family. When I wait, pan.
Yeah, man.
Like, share, and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, excited. Once here, so you go to mall, you're full of excitement and jump around. Yeah, man. Jay, the round is excited.
There's not much to do when it's snowing, so you take the opportunity to go to the mall and see something nice, right? A breath of fresh air in the mall, right, Jay?
Yeah, man. So, guys, welcome back. And as we say, we have a new intro, right? Nothing out of the ordinary, but it's good, right? It's good. So I want you guys to watch out for that.
And we are excited for you to see it, right?
Yeah, man. New intro. And as you can see, the channel is growing, guys. I'm not going to tell you all my subscribers as yet, but I'm really pleased, right? We are really pleased to see what's going on. And I want to thank everyone for the ongoing support, right? All you guys that have been watching the channel, watching our videos, you know, and giving suggestions. All those who are not commenting too and messaging me one away and saying, you know, I'm talking about the close friends, right? And say, yo, I love this video, whatever. Really appreciate it, guys. Those who comment and those who send WhatsApp messages, really appreciate the energy and the feedback, guys. But yeah, man, just want to thank everybody, and based on that, the channel is growing and we're having a new intro to drop soon. Might drop it with this video, but just watch out and see what go on.
What go on.
What you feeling? What a rushing flight and nearly run late.
So guys, as you can see, it's snowing and we're on our way to Vaughan Mills Mall, and we're just gonna take you along. I hope you're enjoying. I'm enjoying the scenery. What about you?
Yeah, guys, we just left out, and just as we about to drive off, we realized that the snow started, yeah? But guess what? That can't deter me. We're heading out, and you know, we'll just move around on one of the best malls in Ontario, of course, in the GTA region. That's Vaughan Mills, right? So we're going to go on Vaughan Mills and we're going to grab some stuff, yeah, man, and walk around and look on the bright lights. So we're just inviting you guys to come along with us, walk along with us, see what we're doing, you know, and just get a view. Yeah, don't forget, guys, to like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course turn on the notification bell so you can get the video as it drop, right?
Right.
We don't want you to search Rashi and Wally. Turn on the notification bell, guys.
And tell a friend to tell a friend about our vlogs, and just join the family, right?
Okay, I see what you're saying. So $30 can get a phone for $30.
Yeah, you can get a plan for $30. That's a bring your own phone.
Bring your own phone. All right, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, so aside from this one, is anything else that you need help with?
No, that's it.
Okay, thank you so much for your time as well. If you need help or inquiries, feel free to visit our virtual class at TV. Have a great great day.
Alright, same to you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so we're here at Vaughan Mills. Okay, guys, guess where we at?
We're heading in Vaughan Mills, alright. We're there at Vaughan Mills already.
So we're here.
We just driving in the parking lot. It's a good place to be on the weekend. You get to walk around and see people, and it's just something that shows you that the virus now hold we down. We now make COVID hold we down. We still do stuff as long as we're responsible, being careful, wear your mask, make sure that you sanitize. Yeah, man, and lock up your car when you park. Don't feel such you're there firing up the car.
And then the next thing is to get a spot now in a Vaughan Mills.
So this man I get the spot now.
You wouldn't get it.
Yep, so yeah guys, so we're gonna park right now. So catch you guys on the inside.
Vaughan Mills.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Good to go.
Hey, them days ain't nice, huh?
What? Them days over there,
Nice again.
they are limelight. You know? All of the guys them who know. Good to go?
Yeah.
No, with a skateland. Skateland offer tree, square mouth shoes and tight pants and big buckle and all these things.
I could have put my backside there, so.
No, them tell you a little bit, you can't go nowhere.
So you're the big man.
What?
Okay.
Them tell you kiddies.
Never mind.
Huh?
Never mind.
Yeah, those were the days. 2000, 2001.
Still end up line.
No, it's a small lineup.
You still a keep?
Huh?
You still a keep?
No, but not bad.
There's somebody who way down there.
Yeah, it's a small lineup. Cool.
Always cool.
Why you never bring out that jacket? Why you never bring out that
Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just here the lineup, waiting to go inside. And yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, so that's why we're going to do some window shopping. No money spending today. Straight window shopping with the party, don't it? Yeah man, thank you.
No worries.
Yeah guys, so as I said, up on the mall. Yeah man, mad thing. You sure? I never done the comedy there. Yeah guys, mall full. Yep. Yeah man, but guys, when I tell you, coming on the mall is a sporting event. Yeah man, can't know when they have to go. A COVID time. So there's nowhere to go. It's definitely sporting to come on the mall, yeah? Yeah man.
So I'm gonna be heading in. Tommy Hilfiger. Me hear same not like black people, but guess what? I love him.
You love him or you love him close?
I love him clothes.
Oh, make sure.
And I love the brand, right?
Yeah, make sure. Who's that guy?
Yeah, so here is it.
What's this? Tommy Hilfiger? Closing? So yes, the attitude, eh?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, so one thing I like about Tommy Hilfiger, the design is quite simple but very attractive, but
Yeah, and the
this is
color
what I don't
very
like about Tommy Hilfiger.
Well,
Price. The simple t-shirt, like a simple shirt for $80. For me, that's a no-no. Right? I'm a brand person, but yeah man, price, yeah, too expensive. It have to look expensive before I spend my money. I just want to see one little ticky and go pay $100 feet or one little Tommy Hilfiger sign. And guys, you have to be smart with all your shop, right? Yeah man. But they really have some nice design, guys. They have a big sale going on, 40% off. But sometimes when you check it out, they have them 40% off, but you still spend up. Well, oh, this not bad. $40. Okay, 40% off. Yeah, so 50% off would be $20. So maybe you pay $25 for that. That's just a rough check, guys. Given that it's 40% off. Yeah, run around like people in place.
I'm just looking. Yeah, and guess what? I'm gonna be heading to my favorite food court.
Yeah?
Oh no, girl love Chinese food. So when I said more
Must it,
Chinese,
what, around 2 weeks now.
yeah,
You say you want Chinese
Yes.
food.
I
Jeez.
can't wait to go. The best one is in Vaughan Mill. Who not get it yet? You know, have to come try it.
Fairview Mall is also good too.
No, Fairview Mall full of herbs. This one on point, look good. Gee, that milk got a white look. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's really nice. 30% off. Let's check out the price.
You see how much price? Let me see. This one. 120.
Same thing I tell you.
Nice.
Nah, buy that for 120. 30% off. That's a 1/3.
But you
3
want
to 12
somebody
goes
seeing
4
a Tamil
times.
figure and
So
things says
$40
$50.
minus some that. For $80 for it, guys. I don't think that work $80.
But guess what?
too.
We're going to head to the food court now to get something to eat. We're going to introduce my favorite Chinese restaurant, the one in Fairview Mall, can't test. My business what Jermaine once said, the next one I'm going to tell you about is on point. So come along with us.
Alright guys, wait for it. We're approaching one of the best places on earth.
My favorite place, right? It's a shame, I don't even know the name of it. But the Chinese restaurant on this side.
But what time now? Can you mind catch guys, when them are closed, them sell everything like less than half price. So the food is like maybe $12.
Around $9.
No, $12 feet you can get for $7.
Yeah.
So the dining area is closed, guys. Sitting area you can sit in and eat. You know, that's closed. So you have to, you know.
Bourbon girl.
You sure it's always bourbon?
Yes. Yes, it's bourbon girl.
You see line people? Yeah, and a full Chinese food themselves. Good Chinese food. Yeah guys, we can't wait for it. Go order my one, but a lot of the stuff finished though. Only 2, 4, 6, maybe 8, maybe 10 different types of meat left. So limited option, and the shrimp is also done. Soon show no one go on. Yeah, so try and know where you want from before you reach up, because a fast pace of people them there, you see them? Them on a higgling thing. Fast pace. Make sure you know where you want. You know what you want?
Leave me alone.
No, come on, seriously, you can't go up there and box shuffle.
I'm not going to box shuffle. We can point if we can't read down.
Yeah, but alright guys, so you can see what is going on for you. See quality food, you know, quality food. Let's keep a distance, remember COVID. You don't want her to look back at you.
And make sure you don't put it on nobody.
Alright, so three 2-dish combo.
What you want, rice?
No, it's yep.
You want that in a man, I like for the rice.
So guys, when you see, you know, quality food, oh, rice look good, everything look good.
Broccoli, yeah.
Broccoli in all 3.
Yeah, that's good.
All 3s with the noodles, yep.
Give me the beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, see where I out the meat there from far. You guys them really have nice food still.
I like buying here.
So hopefully them have pork, see, but look like the pork finish. Oscar, them have pork.
Same one, potato. Yeah.
No pork today? No pork? No pork? Yeah? Which one is pork? Oh, no pork. What's that?
Chicken.
Lemon chicken. I want one of that.
Honey glazed chicken and barbecue chicken.
What's that? What?
Redneck chicken, sweet and sour.
On that one.
Louisiana same thing with spicy.
I want that on the yellow one.
Same thing for you? And
Yeah.
Jen, say more the same thing.
Can I have sweet? You have sweet and sour gravy? Sweet and sour gravy?
Yeah, I'll put it on the side for you.
Okay. Same thing for the others.
No, not for mine.
Yeah, then you have to put it.
This not taste bad. Yeah.
What's that? What's this? What else? Is there any other fish? No.
No, Jeremy.
I want. What's this here? No. She shared 2 already. So I tell her she do. For this one, I want this. What's this? What's that?
Sesame chicken.
Yeah, I can get sesame. Yep. What's that right there? That one right there. What's that? No, right.
Louisiana chicken.
What kind?
Louisiana chicken.
Louisiana chicken.
Louisiana chicken. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. This nice too, you know. But to me, that what you have. You have any gravy can put in the noodles? Thank you so much.
Come with the money, man. You know, so we have to hide the car down because the scammer them there too, you know. You mean how you feel? I get a Chinese food?
Yeah, feeling good. Chinese food is here. Yes, you can't hold the camera, guys. She's so short. Yes, so we got our Chinese food. Everything is good. Can't complain, you see me?
Yeah, it's a good Saturday because
Yeah.
I got my bourbon sweet. Nice. Watch me eat it. Hey.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. So see you next time.
Yes,
Yeah.
and look out for my lingerie and Valentine's vlog. That's coming up soon. And just stay
Make sure you
tuned.
buy some good one and make sure you show people in some good one. You understand?
I'm gonna show you, but not on me. But I'm gonna show you what I got.
Yeah, but
Okay.
guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying attentive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And don't forget, my son, to like, share, and subscribe. much time. Well, not what if you made it this far, just press the like button, subscribe. It's free, it won't cost anything.
So-
and guess what? They get to come see a native.
What's the name of the
Jamaican, don't
Chinese
it?
place a while ago?
It's Bourbon Street Grill.
Yes, so that's one of the main reasons why we came on the mall, just to grab some good Chinese food, because wifey have been asking for Chinese food for quite some time. So we had to grab it, and in the meantime, Jaden's birthday is coming up, so we decided just to grab some stuff for him. We're not sure if it's the real thing yet, but we'll just pick up some stuff for him, right? So guys, again,
What's that? Like, share, and subscribe. Later.
alright guys, so we are out. As you can see, we just grabbed some stuff on the mall, right? Really good Chinese food, and you know, just did a quick tour, nothing too much to look at. But just remember again, like, share, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That's the only way you're gonna be able to see the videos, yeah? So turn on the notification, guys, and again, stay tuned to Rashi and Wally Vlogs. We have a lot of things coming as usual. And tell me what you think about the new intro. Yeah? Alright, we're out.